Hi, Confessor.
Ah, hello, child. To what do I owe the honor of such a visit from one of his favorites?
I recovered a holotape. Confessor Martin is planning to come back and take over. We should come up with a plan, but not here. The command center tunnels should be far enough away from the rest of the children.
Martin, it can't. Play it. I want to hear that coward's voice.
Listen, children. Tectus' time is over. The nucleus must prepare for a new order. Mine.
I can't believe it. He's alive. None of the other children can know about this. The command center, you said. I'll ensure we aren't disturbed.
Richter convinced the High Confessor to show mercy. I can stay as long as I remain faithful. I can barely believe it.
you there? Ah, there you are. Now, Martin, tell me.
It's over, Tectus. Dima sent me to kill you, and I will if I have to. But if you agree to leave for good, I'll let you live.
You're working for... You're not bluffing, are you? There is no place beyond his reach on this island, is there? Fine. The damned machine will have what it wishes.
Did you hear that? I'm guessing it's nothing.
Maybe someday more places in the world will accept us for who we are.
It sounds like quite the experience, but I'm glad to know there will be peace again.
Martin's vision was there. I must thank you again for sheltering me while under its sway.
Think nothing of it. You're welcome to stay as long as you like.
You are too kind, Eva. I should only need just a little more fresh air.
It's good to see you again, Nick.
Yeah. Hi, Dima. Don't mind me.
Hey, Dima.
I suppose you've heard the news? The High Confessor's had a vision. Atom demands peace. Can I assume you're here to tell me your task is done?
I convinced him to leave the island, never return.
You did. Perhaps not an ideal resolution, but I suppose the end result is the same.
I'm starting to envy Dima. This whole situation makes me wish I could erase my memories too.
Peace can finally come to the island. It's a heavy burden what we've done, but now the nucleus, Far Harbor, and Acadia will all flourish together.
It was the right thing to do.
It was necessary. Hope for a better future. That will be the judge of our actions. I'll handle things from here. I'll arrange talks between the children of Atom and Far Harbor. They will learn to prosper together under our guidance. The children will revel in their irradiated bastion. The Harbormen will continue to survive and reclaim what the fog has taken from them. And my people will remain safe. Here, for all you've done. You should also pay a visit to the nucleus. I believe the High Confessor will want a word with you. And of course, you are welcome in Acadia whenever you like. After all, where would we be without you?
Gather, brothers and sisters, gather to hear his word. Peace. In the throes of a brilliant vision, he Atom demands peace. With Far Harbor, with Acadia, within our family. And any found disobeying Atom's word will answer for their crimes. Let none stand in the way of his radiant will. Glory to Atom! Glory to Atom!
High Confessor.
I knew it. I knew it was you. In my vision, there, beside our brilliant master. Here, you must have this. It only seems right it's worn by his favored child.
Excuse me, High Confessor.
Any who threaten the island's peace will answer to me.
With Far Harbor. If it is the will of Atom.
Thank you for everything you've done. Acadia will always be open.
So, it sounds like there's going to be people on the island. It was you, wasn't it? You found a way to fix things.
It was the right thing to do.
I can't believe people like you actually exist. Part of the reason I didn't trust Dima was because he seemed too selfless. But you're just like him. Hey, listen. So, when you first showed up, you came to get me, to bring me home. I've been thinking a lot about that. I hurt Kenji and Ray by leaving, didn't I? I could have just stayed home, pretended everything was all right, but I left them. Should I go back? They obviously still care about me, or who they think I am. They need a daughter. They deserve to have one. Everything in Acadia has been settled. I found my answers. Maybe it's time I did something for someone else.
What are you talking about?
I know the real Kasumi is dead. She was replaced with me, but do Kenji and Rei really need to know that? What if we could be a family again? All I have to do is go home. Give them the daughter they thought they lost. Don't I owe them that?
You're right, Kasumi. They need you. Go home.
I will. I'll start gathering my supplies and I'll have to say goodbye to everyone. Thanks. For everything. Maybe I'll see you back in the Commonwealth?
Hey, you got a second? Word is you were asked to go check out some boat for Faraday. Storage drives or something, right? Okay, I need you to come with me for a minute. We're gonna go have a little chat with Jewel, and if I know her, she's hiding out.
I assume you're not planning on staying long.
I'll probably be leaving soon.
That's for the best. Acadia is only as secure as we make it. We take unnecessary risks, we get careless, and things can go bad. Fast. If there's a synth who needs a safe place, then we take them in. Let them live as a synth, without fear. You don't fit that description. That makes you an unnecessary risk. It's nothing personal. Minimizing our contact with outsiders is just practical.
Is there anything I can say or do to change your mind?
Just don't cause any problems.
Hey there, kiddo. I need you to tell our friend here what you told me.
What the fuck, Cog?
Skip it, okay? It's your help. Promise.
Fine. I don't see the point. Alright.
Need something?
Cog said you needed to talk about something.
Alright, look. You know my head is messed up, right? Brain's scrambled or whatever. I keep having these dreams. They're sorta like dreams, I guess, but it's like they're more real. There's... this is so stupid. There's this boat, and it's on fire. And I hear screaming. I think it's me screaming, but I can't be sure. And that's it.
That sounds awful. I'm sorry you're going through this.
Okay, let's not get all sappy. I thought it was all bullshit, only... Okay, I know this sounds ridiculous, but I found this key. I had it somewhere. It's fuzzy, but I swear it's connected. It means something. And Cog said he knows what, and he says you know too. So just take it and... I don't know. Fix this.
my god, my baby is okay.
Welcome back home, Kasumi.
It's good to be home.
You saved my daughter. Thank you.
Are you all gonna be okay now?
Yes, you have made our family whole again.
If any of you ever need help again, you know.
Kasumi, does this mean you know we're your parents, right? You're not a synth.
I know, Mom. I'm sorry. I was just so...
It's okay, Kasumi. You're home now.
Kenji, it's not true. Kasumi really is a synth. She replaced your daughter.
What? What are you saying?
Just had to open that can of worms, didn't you?
Why are you doing this?
They need to accept you for who you are.
Kasumi? Is it true? Where's the real Kasumi?
I don't know.
Uh-huh.
Get out.
Kenji!
She's still your daughter, Kenji. She might be a synth, but you and Ray both loved her, like one of your own. And she loved you back. You know that.
No, it was all a lie. Don't you understand?
Sure.
I never want to see you again.
Goodbye, Mom.
Right.
You don't get to call.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you for telling me the truth. I can't believe that synth almost had me fooled. We don't have much to offer, but my father traveled the Commonwealth. He had quite a collection before he died. I buried it all near the house. I'm not the explorer he was.
Uh-huh. Thank you, Kenji.
You've earned it.
Uh-huh.
Now, if you...
See you around, Kenji.
Goodbye, Nick.
Mr. Nakano.
Mom? Dad? Dad? I'm home.
What's up with that junk?
Oh my god, my baby is okay.
Welcome back home, Kasumi.
It's good to be home.
You saved my daughter. Thank you.
Right. Happy to do it, Kenji.
You don't often see kind...
Uh-huh.
If any of you ever need help again,
Kasumi, does this mean you know we're your parents?
I know, Mom.
It's okay, Kasumi.
Kenji.
What? What?
just had to...
Uh-huh.
Why are you doing this? I told you I made a decision.
They need to accept you for...
Kasumi?
Where's
the real Kasumi?
I don't know. There's no telling.
Get out.
Uh-huh.
Kenji!
You heard me. You've been lying to us this whole...
Uh-huh. She's still your daughter, Kenji. She might be a synth, but you and Ray both loved her, like one of your own. And she loved you back. You know that.
I don't know what to do. You look just like her. Act like her. Talk like her.
I know. And I know how much she meant to both of you. You're both good people. You deserve to have your daughter back.
But you are not.
Kenji, stop! I don't care anymore. Look at her. Can't we salvage what we can from this horrible world?
Okay. Okay. She can stay. Thank you for bringing my daughter home. We don't have much to offer, but my father traveled the Commonwealth. I buried it all near the house. I'm not the explorer he was. I don't need them. I think they would be better with you.
You don't need to do that. You keep your father's collection. For your family.
Thank you. Perhaps we'll need it someday. God knows plenty has happened to us already. Now, if you'll excuse me, it's been a long day.
See you around, Kenji.
Goodbye, Nick. Best of luck to you and your partner in the future.
I don't care if that young woman is a
Kenji,
saint.
let me
She's
say.
Kasumi to me.
You're right.
Sometimes
They deserved to know the truth.
the best with what comes your way.
Kasumi.
It's not going to be easy, being a reminder of the daughter they lost, but I'll do everything I can to take care of them.
Hey. Wait there.
See what I can do.
Come on. Nick.
Good plan. In this line of work, you have to expect the unexpected. Still, I've got to admit, I've never had a case quite like Kasumi's.
It turned out to be quite an adventure.
Yeah, a whole island trying to kill us. Here's hoping the next case just takes us to some dingy bar. I could use a slow one. Can't believe you managed to convince the Nakanos to take Kasumi in as a synth. You were really playing with fire there. Well, the case is closed. Sometimes that's all you can really say.
You have marvelous bone structure. Stop by the mega surgery sometime.
This better be an emergency.
Not interested.
Fine.
You'll get used to Diamond City security being unhelpful. Just ignore them like I do.
Should we listen? Heads is outside a street.
You're back. How did everything go with the Nakano case?
I tracked Kenji's daughter to a synth refuge up north near Far Harbor. She's back home, safe and sound.
That's great. We don't often get to bring people good news. It's a nice change of pace. Thanks for coming in for this one. I knew something good was happening when you and Nick started working together. Don't be a stranger, Gumshoe.
If I didn't know better, I'd say you're giving our friend here all the credit.
Just keeping you on your toes, Nick.
Miss Perkins.
Thanks again for closing out the Nakano case. You never know where some of the hard ones are going to take you.